Mountains and rivers. Mountains stand high, like the monumental glory of the eternal self, of which the tranquility is unsurpassable. Rivers flow joyously, without cease, like the fountain of devotion in the hearts of the lovers of God. This is the reason the spiritual masters are so much fascinated towards mountains and rivers. A woodland is absolutely devoid of distracting worldly vibrations. These are ideal places for meditation, no doubt. All the same, one can meditate in the quietness of his own house.